Can you believe these are hearing aids? If you have hearing loss and you've been reluctant to get a pair because you don't want something bulky, then you have to try out this pair that my husband got from Cearvol. I'm Gina with WTI. My husband has moderate hearing loss, and these hearing aids come with all the bells and whistles that my husband is looking for. One of his favorite features is that even if he's using the Bluetooth connection or taking a phone call, it remains aware with active mics so that he can still hear what's going on around him. It helps to reduce ambient noise so that he can hear voices and other things clearer. And of course, the small size and discreet look means that my husband doesn't feel self-conscious when he's wearing them. Along with that, he uses the different preset modes, such as for conversation or indoor, outdoor use. The touchscreen on the case is so nice. That means he doesn't have to go into the app to make changes. He can just do it right there on the screen. In addition to that, this is just so versatile. You can use the app to really dial in what you need. And the aids themselves have buttons on the side, so you can make changes directly from the unit. They may be small in size, but they're smart inside, and that's our point of view.